I think some adjustments have to be made for truly temporarily and permanently disabled workers. I just do believe in these reforms. Some workers that have suffered injuries on the job have not gotten the kind of care and or disability that really the law intended to provide. The one group that this governor never brought to the table were the insurers. Fact is that over the last half of the 1990s, premiums rose dramatically, and a lot of that was also insurers making up for the losses that they experienced when they had their price war competition in the early 90s. So as governor, I would be willing to reopen the discussion to ensure that those who are intended to be helped, truly injured workers, I'm not talking about all the middle people, get the care they need. I mean, in the end, again, this is one area of personal experience because I had my own company with anywhere from, depending how good the market was or how bad it was, from 15 to 50 people. This is a system that ought to work primarily for the employers who pay the premiums and the workers who it's intended to cover, not everyone in between. And insurers were never brought to the table in that discussion.